Tired of feeling heavy, bloated, and sluggish? You're not alone. Constipation isn't just uncomfortable. It can drain your energy, cloud your mood, and disrupt your daily life. While modern life, stress, and diet can often bring digestion to a standstill, nature provides gentle yet powerful solutions to reset your system and restore effortless rhythm. You don't always need harsh chemicals or expensive supplements. Often, the most effective remedies are already in your kitchen or local store. Simple, natural drinks that work with your body to soften stool, stimulate movement, and rebalance your gut. In this guide, you'll discover 7 targeted natural drinks scientifically backed to relieve constipation. From daily tonics that support long-term gut health to potent, as-needed remedies for stubborn relief, we've detailed exactly how and when to use each one for maximum benefit. Ready to turn things around? Let's dive in and explore these powerful drinks so you can feel light, energized, and free again. 1. Senna Leaf Tea. For more stubborn cases, Senna Leaf Tea is a powerful herbal remedy that has been used for centuries. It contains compounds called senicides, which act as stimulant laxatives. These compounds irritate the lining of the bowel, which triggers rhythmic contractions, peristalsis that push stool through the colon. How to use it? Steep 1 Senna tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It's crucial to use this only as a short-term solution, as the body can become reliant on the stimulation. Drink it in the evening. It typically produces a bowel movement within 6 to 12 hours. Do not use for more than 1 week without consulting a doctor. 2. The salt water flush. This simple ancient technique is a masterclass in hydration and osmosis. When you drink warm salt water on a completely empty stomach, the saline concentration draws fluid into your intestines. This not only softens hard stool, but also creates a volume of liquid that can trigger a powerful peristaltic wave to flush out the entire colon. It's a potent reset. How to make it? First thing in the morning, before eating or drinking anything else, mix 2 teaspoons of non-iodized sea salt or Himalayan pink salt into 1 liter about 4 cups of warm water. Stir until fully dissolved. Drink the entire liter within a short period, 5 to 20 minutes. Stay near a bathroom, as results usually occur within 30 minutes to 2 hours. Warning: this is a potent, occasional cleanse. Do not do this more than once a month, and avoid it if you have kidney issues or high blood pressure. 8. Magnesium-rich Calm Drink. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that relaxes muscles throughout the body, including those in the intestinal walls. A deficiency can directly contribute to constipation. Magnesium citrate, in particular, draws water into the bowels, softening stool and making it easier to pass. This drink acts as both a supplement and a gentle, non-habit-forming laxative. Stir 1 serving of a magnesium citrate powder supplement, like Natural Calm, into a glass of warm water. Follow the dosage on the label, typically starting with 1 to 2 teaspoons. Drink this 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Magnesium also promotes relaxation and better sleep, making this a perfect evening ritual for body and mind. 4. Coffee with coconut oil. For many, coffee is a well-known trigger for a bowel movement, as caffeine stimulates the muscles in the digestive system. Adding a tablespoon of medium-chain triglyceride oil or coconut oil enhances this effect. The healthy fats help lubricate the intestines, and MCTs can have a mild laxative effect for some people. How to make it? Brew a cup of black coffee and stir in 1 tablespoon of MCT or coconut oil until fully dissolved. Drink this in the morning, but be aware that it can be potent. so it's best to be near a bathroom for the next hour or two. 5. Warm lemon water with psyllium husk. This combination tackles constipation from multiple angles. The warm water helps to hydrate and stimulate the digestive tract, while the lemon encourages the liver to produce bile, which acts as a natural laxative. The true star, however, is psyllium husk. It's a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance, absorbing water into the stool to soften it and add significant bulk, making it much easier to pass. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a large glass of warm, not hot water. Stir in 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk powder and drink it immediately before it thickens. Follow with another glass of plain water. This is best consumed first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for a gentle, effective cleanse. 6. Prune juice with ginger. This is a classic remedy for a reason. Prune juice contains both fiber and sorbitol, a sugar alcohol with natural osmotic properties that draws water into the colon. When you add freshly grated ginger, you introduce a powerful anti-inflammatory and carminative agent that soothes the intestinal tract and helps to relieve gas and bloating that often accompanies constipation. Gently warm half a cup of unsweetened prune juice on the stove or in the microwave. Stir in 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, or a pinch of ginger powder, and allow it to steep for a few minutes. Drink this mixture warm in the evening. The warmth helps to relax the digestive muscles, enhancing the natural effects of the prunes and ginger. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is not just for sunburns. The inner fillet of the plant contains compounds called anthraquinones, which have a strong laxative effect by increasing intestinal water content and stimulating mucus secretion. Furthermore, aloe vera is incredibly soothing to the digestive lining, making it an excellent choice for those whose constipation is accompanied by irritation or inflammation. It is crucial to choose a high-quality, inner-leaf aloe vera juice that is specifically labeled for internal use. Start with a 1/4 cup of the juice and drink it straight, or mixed with a small amount of water or juice. The effects can be relatively quick, so it's advisable to try this when you are at home. Do not use it daily for extended periods due to its potent nature. You now have a powerful toolkit of 7 natural drinks to address constipation, from gentle daily tonics to more potent as-needed solutions. Remember, the key is consistency and listening to your body. Start with one, like the warm lemon water or kefir smoothie, as a daily habit. Save the stronger options like Senna tea or aloe vera juice for when you really need them. True digestive freedom is within your reach. Pick one of these remedies tonight and give your body the relief it deserves. If this guide helped you finally understand how to get things moving, hit the like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health solutions.